10 myths about Hinduism that are wrong. Hello friends, welcome to our channel where we discuss various religion, tradition and the misconceptions that surround them. Today we are going to talk about 10 common myths related to Hinduism that are completely wrong. If you think you already know these myths, then this video is for you because we will be addressing them in the correct way. So without further any delay, let's get started. Myth number 1. Hinduism has many gods, which means there is no one god. This is absolutely incorrect. In Hinduism, there are many forms of god, but they all represent one supreme being, known as Brahman or the divine. Whether it's Vishnu, Shiva or goddess Durga, they are all manifestations of the same supreme god. Myth number 2. Hinduism supports the caste system. Friends, this is a common misconception. The caste system is not part of Hindu religion. It is a social structure that evolved over time. Hinduism teaches that all people are equal and that love and brotherhood are central to its teachings. Myth number 3. Only Brahmins can understand the Vedas. This is completely false. The Vedas and other Hindu scriptures are meant to be studied by everyone. Hinduism is not about exclusion. It's about inclusion and the pursuit of knowledge. And the teaching of the Vedas are for all of humanity. Myth number 4. Ideal worship is mandatory in Hinduism. This is another misconception. While ideal worship is a tradition in Hinduism, it is not mandatory. Many ascetics and yogis worship the formless aspects of God, which is just as valid in Hinduism. Myth number 5. Hinduism is only for Indians. This is a major misunderstanding. Hinduism is a universal religion and it is practiced by millions of people worldwide. In fact, there are followers of Hinduism in countries like the United States, Canada and even part of Europe. Myth 6. Suicide is against Hinduism. No religion supports suicide and neither does Hinduism. Life is considered a precious gift in Hinduism, and ending in prematurely is not supported. Hinduism encourages overcoming life's challenges and facing hardship with strength and resilience. Myth number 7. Devotion in Hinduism is only about worship. This is incorrect. Devotion in Hinduism is not just limited to worship. It extends to all aspects of life: yoga, meditation, service, and even maintaining good relationship with others. All of these are considered expression of devotion. Myth number 8. Worshipping Kali Mata invites evil forces. Kali Mata is often misunderstood. While she is associated with destruction, her role is to destroy evil, make way for righteousness, and protect the universe. Kali worship is not about invoking evil, but about invoking transformative power of good. Myth number 9. Everyone must know Sanskrit to follow Hinduism. This is totally wrong. While Sanskrit is an important language in Hindu tradition, it is not necessary to know in order to practice Hinduism. The teachings and scriptures are available in many languages, making them accessible to everyone. Myth number 10. Hinduism is based only on karma. Karma is important in Hinduism, but it's not the only factor. Hinduism also emphasizes devotion, bhakti and ascetic practices. Life is about finding balance in all these aspects. So friends, these were the 10 major myths about Hinduism that are completely wrong. It's important that we understand our faith correctly and avoid falling into misconception. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel so we can bring you more such content. Thank you friends.